Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm getting ready to go to Premios Lo Nuestro, and I'm just getting ready and doing a beautiful smoky eye for you guys to see. I just decided to record it, so excuse me if it's not the best, but I did my best. And yes, that is the one video you're gonna be watching. So today I'm gonna be going to Premios Lo Nuestro. So I'm gonna be doing something smoky and like sparkly. I'm wearing like a sparkly dress. As you can see, it's like sparkly and like navy blue. So this will be the perfect palette to do a look, which is a dose of colors. I wanna use that black and blue kinda, and also the brown, so it's gonna be like smoky. So excited for this. I haven't done a smoky eye, so I decided to just to film it. So if I don't talk, it's because I'm in a hurry, and yeah. I will do my best to tell you what I'm using. But first I'm gonna start with the, I don't know what's the churro, which is this kind of like light brown. It's not like so, and I'm using Morphe RG24, just a normal blending brush, and just gonna put it in the crease. Okay, something like that, and then same thing on the other eye. I'm gonna use this Luxie eye shading 213. It's like an eyeshadow brush, and we're gonna pack that like this darker color, and then this is gonna be in the inner corner. So this we're gonna pack in the eye, and then this we're just gonna pop it in the kind of like in the front of it. So I want like a dark smoky eye. So yes, I haven't done a smoky eye in forever. For real, in forever. Maybe we should put the blue on the top. Let's think. Very simple. Smoky eyes are really simple. They seem hard, but no. Just gotta. Don't be scared to put like the dark colors. Perfect. Now we're gonna take the darker brown, this one, which is Jeans. Just gonna smoke it out. Blend both colors together. I'm gonna take this flat brush and I'm gonna try it and sparkle it up with the blue. I'm gonna try without the spray and see how it looks, and then if not, then it's pretty. Now we go with the brown again and we try to blend that all. I'm gonna prime and put foundation, and then I'll be right back. Right, I am back. I am currently baking in 400 degrees. So while we bake, I'm just gonna do my contour. Just don't know which brush to use. Let's use this Morphe M403. It's like a fluffy brush, but like really not so big. And I usually do the Anastasia. It's my favorite. Wouldn't change it for anything. I'm gonna put it up. I want to use a brown for my lips. Something like that. I want this Sueño de Coco. It's one of my favorites. Now, Sueño de Coco from I Love Sarai. Love it. It's like the perfect nude. Look at that with this smoky. Now we can dust that. Look up. Now we can put some. Now I'm gonna take this eyeshadow brush, clean it up because it had black. So I use the eyeshadow color switch from Sephora. And now I wanna put the brown, this brown under my eye. just like that. I like this Morphe one. Is it the Morphe one? Yeah. This Morphe one Spirit. It's really pretty. It's like a soft pink. You want something soft, not. And this is E4. This is the best blush. Blush. So pretty. So pretty. Yes. Now I'm just missing the pop. Okay, I'm gonna use this I'm gonna use this Becky G Colored Pop collaboration, which is Princesa, which is like a white. It's like a white highlighter. That's what I wanted to say. Here. So I usually use like a fluffy brush or the fan. But I want to use this one. And you put the product and then you spray it, remember? That's my trick. Not my trick, but I see my Mitchell do it. And I keep doing it because I like it. And you let it sit for a while. Let it get the shine in the brush. And then it's gonna... I don't know what. Give me like a pink look. I don't know if you guys can see that. So let's try that again. Spray some. Wait a little bit. It's giving me like a pink look, but I think because I used the pink highlighter in this brush the other day, and I'm cleaning it, and I don't know why it's not working. Now what I'm gonna do is pop a color in the middle. From that same color pop, I'm gonna just pop it here. Now I'm gonna put some lashes. These are Lily Lashes Premium Synthetic, and this is Chicago. So I'm gonna put them on and then I'll be right back. Well, this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you do subscribe on the bottom of this page if you haven't. Make sure you do give a thumbs up if you like this video, and you want more, and if you want more looks like this, smoky and like nighttime, makeup tutorials, so just let me know if you do want it, and make sure you click the bell button notification right there so you can get notified when I do upload new videos. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoy the tutorial, and I'm gonna see you next time because I'm gonna go to Miami now. Bye. And I'm just gonna give a little come on closer look.